Today we're making Goodfood chicken schnitzel. Crispy chicken over orzo, creamy lemon mayo, and a fresh side salad. This flavor-packed meal is generous, satisfying, and made to impress. The ingredients you will receive are what you'll need to have on hand. Boil the orzo. Bring a medium pot of salted water to a boil. Add the orzo and boil for 9 to 10 minutes until just tender. Drain and rinse. Return the orzo to the pot and toss with a drizzle of oil to prevent sticking. Prepare the chicken schnitzel. Meanwhile, in a medium bowl, combine the panko, 1/3 of the spices, and a big pinch of salt and pepper. In a second medium bowl, combine 1/4 of the mayo, 2 tablespoons of water, and a big pinch of salt and pepper. Pat the chicken dry and halve horizontally. Season with half of the remaining spices, salt and pepper. Working one at a time, coat the chicken in the mayo mixture, shaking off any excess. Then in the panko, pressing to adhere. Cook the chicken schnitzel. In a large pan, heat a generous drizzle of oil on medium high. Add the chicken schnitzel and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes per side until browned and cooked through. Transfer to a paper towel-lined plate. Mise en place. Meanwhile, thinly slice the celery crosswise on an angle. Quarter the lemon. In a small bowl, combine the remaining mayo and the juice of 1 lemon wedge. Sauté the peas. In the reserved pan, heat 2 tablespoons of butter on medium-high. Add the peas and remaining spices. Sauté for 1 to 2 minutes until heated through. Finish and serve. To the pot of orzo, add the juice of 1 of the remaining lemon wedges and stir well. In a large bowl, make the salad by combining the juice from the remaining lemon wedges, 2 tablespoons of oil, add the baby greens and celery, toss well. Divide the orzo and chicken schnitzel between your plates, top the chicken schnitzel with the peas, serve the salad and lemon mayo on the side. Bon appétit!